Let's check out the new inspiration tab on YouTube. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so YouTube recently introduced this new tab called the inspiration tab. Now I have not checked it out at all, so it's going to be my real, raw, and unfiltered comments. So let's head over there now. So it's under content, and then it's the first tab on the left there that says inspiration. I have not seen this at all. I heard about it and I'm intrigued. All right, so right off the bat, I see here, spark your next great idea. And there's already some things that have populated, which is interesting. Let's check these out. Okay, so let's see here. They've got, I'm guessing these are ideas, like video ideas, from viewer to valued client, mastering advanced YouTube funnels. That's actually a good one. Mastering advanced YouTube funnels. Because we do typically talk to the business entrepreneur who sees more about YouTube for business than just trying to be a viral influencer. They see it as, let me use YouTube for my business to get clients and leads, rather than the generic way, which is how most people see YouTube. And the wording mastering advanced YouTube funnels would definitely speak to that type of a clientele who would understand that. Ooh, I like this one. Future-proofing your content, essential AI tools for 2026 YouTube marketing. Ooh, that's a good one. And even below here, you can see it's got client conversion, digital innovation, and another one here, monetize every video, transform your YouTube video archive into reoccurring revenue streams. Also interesting graphics, obviously made by AI. Pretty good in terms of understanding the kind of videos that we put out, because it's definitely in this area. Like, we're always talking about getting high ticket clients from YouTube. We're always talking about how to make money from YouTube, getting clients. Let me click on show more. Interesting. It's also picking up on some other videos that we've created in the past, like Camtasia, like Kajabi. Currently, we are doing this Canva series. Interesting. Definitely the first 6 are pretty on point. I would actually save a couple of them. So I'm going to hover over it, click save. And I guess you can click on more like this. I'm going to save this one as well. And then I'll save this one as well. If we head back up to this area, it's already got some things that we can click on, or we can type in a topic, theme, or question. I like that it's analyzing what we've already put out on our channel. So digital asset monetization, YouTube growth strategy, business content creation, software skill tutorials. Let's just click on the first one, digital asset monetization. Okay, so it populates in there and you can click on explore ideas. All right, so the AI is doing its thing. It came up with these. I could see how this could give you ideas for sure, like inspiration. Let me head back to the ones I've saved and click into those ones. Now, I'm hoping that they are giving me this idea because, one, it's going to be a good idea to create because people are searching for it and it's like, you know, a relevant topic. Let's click on this one. Wow, interesting. So they're really leaning into AI analyzing your channel. So it even came up with, you know, a little bit of a description. I'll click on develop idea in just a moment, but let's see what else they provide. It's telling me why this could fit our channel. A small part of our viewers watched similar content in the last 28 days. Here's a chance to shine with something new. And they've got like kind of like bullet points: amplify existing value, actionable revenue strategies, expertise in evergreen content. These are some of the related videos. Let me click show more. Oh, these are more related videos. Let me click on develop idea. So that's pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. I mean, I have no idea. I mean, we'd have to test this out and see if creating these videos was a good idea from YouTube. Yeah, but I can definitely see they're leaning into AI. Ooh, this is interesting. So it's kind of like they've already done the research for you. All right, so they have a hook. They've got an outline. Whoa, they even have thumbnails? I am shocked right now. Wow. They have the titles. Interesting. I mean, for the thumbnails, most of them are pretty bad, except for this one. The one with the $ tree, like that is, that I would say is the best out of all 5 of those. But pretty cool. Was not expecting that they would create thumbnails as well. Let me click on show more. Hooks. Huh, wow. I was not expecting this. I was expecting some, here's some ideas, and then that just be it, but I'm kind of impressed right now. Like, these are the 3 initial hooks. If you don't know what a hook is, that's what you say at the beginning of the video to catch the person's attention. So you can explore hook styles, urgency, pain points, promising a specific result. So you can get like different kinds of hooks. Wow, I might be using this. This is really cool. Let me click on outline. So these are different outlines on the different like ways you could go about this video. Obviously, you do want to choose one that you know about. Pretty impressed so far. Now, this is super beneficial because it's analyzed all the videos on my channel and it's giving me something that I would actually talk about. I want to click on the thumbnails and see how many they generate. Oh, okay. They just generate okay, there's 6. So far, I think this one is the best. I would obviously still put my photo on it. Still need some work in the thumbnail department, but you know, it's only gonna get better. And you can do explosion of money, money raining down, audiences showering. Okay, that's a weird one. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the YouTube inspiration tab. I'm sure that they're gonna be developing this even more. I like that they are going in this direction for sure. I'll probably test this out on a couple videos and see how they actually do. Like I will take an idea from it. I'll take one of the titles, I'll take one of the thumbnails, I'll do the hook and the outline, and I'd be curious to see how these new inspiration type of videos perform. So let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think of this? Are you gonna use it? Are you gonna try it out? I'd be curious to know. Hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. And if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel yourself, head down to the description below as we have a YouTube authority checklist that you can get for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.